everybody, Niki here, and I'm at the AOPA Fly-In at the Buckeye Air Fair at the Buckeye Municipal Airport in Arizona. We're super excited. There's awesome air shows going on, a bunch of really cool airplanes, great food, lots of entertainment. We're gonna have a great time. Let's go. Walking through the entrance, the first thing I saw was the ramp, brimming with local vendors, aviation industry leaders, and some of the most unique and eye-catching aircraft I'd seen in a long time. First, I had to walk around the ramp and check out the airshow performers' airplanes.
This Yak 50 was built in the Soviet Union in 1980.
My next stop was the AOPA exhibit hall, where aviation industry leaders, flight schools, and vendors had booths on display. I had a great time talking with everyone about the latest new tech, gear, and services. Here, AOPA members and prospective members could speak with the AOPA staff about membership, medicals, aircraft financing, the You Can Fly Foundation, and much more. Time for lunch. There were a ton of great local food trucks and vendors to choose from, but I was in the mood for a cheese quesadilla. Yum. After lunch, I attended the Pilot Town Hall with AOPA President Mark Baker, who briefed us on AOPA's latest advocacy efforts, growing the pilot population, and the Air Safety Institute's contributions to pilot education and accident reduction. In addition to the indoor exhibit area, there were also a bunch of displays outside. While checking out the outdoor exhibits, we all got a special treat. A surprise flyby by the only currently airworthy consolidated PB-4Y2 privateer. With the air show starting, it was time to make my way to the AOPA Flightline Chalet, which was an exclusive, members-only area with food, drinks, and the best seats in the house. The nearly 2-hour show was chock full of aerobatic and entertaining performances from start to finish.
Some smoke streamers are the only modification that's been done. And Buckeye, for you, the Vanguard Squadron would love to show their appreciation to be here in the warm weather skies of Buckeye, Arizona, as they draw a heart in the sky for you, Buckeye, Arizona.